humbly accept them as from an infinitely wise and loving Heavenly Father. End quote. Left on our own strength, it is impossible for us to be humble in difficult situations. Our tendency is always to complain and insist on our rights. But God gives grace to the humble, those who have been humbled by His grace in the first place. By nature, we are proud and grumpy, but God's grace makes us patient, thankful, and humble. Humility is rewarded by God with grace, which we do not deserve, always. By grace, God has blessed us with every spiritual blessing in Christ, including the ability to humble ourselves. We don't deserve anything except judgment. However, as God's children, when we walk in humility and holiness, God surely grants us more grace. Grace to love Him and others, grace to consider others better than ourselves,